Hello everyone and welcome to Amazon. Today we are excited to present to you the newest innovation from Samsung, the Galaxy M15 5G. With a host of advanced features and groundbreaking technology, the Galaxy M15 promises to elevate your smartphone journey to new heights. Now, let's uncover what sets the Galaxy M15 apart in the competitive world of smartphones. First up is the stunning display. The Galaxy M15 boasts a vibrant 6.5-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED screen with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate. Whether you are watching movies, gaming, or scrolling through social media, every detail pops with clarity and vivid colors. Next, let's talk about the powerhouse battery packed into the Galaxy M15. With a massive 6000 mAh capacity, it keeps you connected and productive for up to 2 days on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, the 45-watt fast charging support ensures you're back up and running in no time. Under the hood, the Galaxy M15 is driven by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor. With its octa-core configuration and clock speeds up to 2.2 GHz, it delivers blazing fast performance for all your multitasking needs. Plus, with options for 4GB, 6GB and 8GB of RAM and up to 128GB of expandable storage, you will have plenty of space for your apps, photos and videos. Now, let's focus on the camera capabilities of the Galaxy M15. On the front, there's a 13-megapixel selfie camera that ensures you always look your best. On the back, you'll find a versatile triple camera system headlined by a 50-megapixel sensor. Whether you are capturing landscapes, zooming in on details or shooting videos, the Galaxy M15 delivers stunning results every single time. Last but not the least, Samsung is committed to keeping your device up to date and secure. That's why the Galaxy M15 comes with 4 generations of OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates, ensuring you stay protected and get the latest features for years to come. Plus, with 3 stunning color variants, stone grey, celestial blue and blue topaz, you can choose one that best suits your style and personality. Some additional highlights that enhance your mobile experience. Voice focus. Enjoy crystal clear calls even in noisy environments. Knock security. Experience military-grade security to safeguard your data. In conclusion, the Galaxy M15 is not just a smartphone. It's a powerhouse of innovation and performance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a content creator, or a professional on the go, the Galaxy M15 has everything you need to stay connected, productive, and entertained. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you are as excited about the Galaxy M15 as we are.